Finance practice exercises number 23. Emil bought a car for $24,000 3 years ago. The loan had a 5-year term at 3% interest rate, making monthly payments. How much does he still owe for the car? Okay, so before we could figure out the remaining amount, and sounds like that's what they're asking us for, is the remaining amount on the loan, we need to figure out what Emil's monthly payment is. Okay, so we know that the principal is $24,000. And the total loan was 5 years, so we need to use that for our time. Our rate was 3%, and he's making monthly payments, which is customary. Okay, so setting this up in, we're finding the regular monthly payments. So we're looking for R. Okay, so setting this up in our loan formula, I'm going to go ahead and pause this and do so. So setting up substituting the proper quantities into the appropriate variable gives us what we see before us. And then, as always, we can figure this amount out first. Okay, we'll take that 24,000 and divide by what we just got there. And our final answer for our monthly payment will be $431.25. Okay, so when you look back to the remaining loan balance, let's see. It's on page 18. It says in italics, how much loan will these payments be able to pay off in the remaining time left? So it's a 5-year loan. Bought the car 3 years ago. So we're looking at our new time to be 2. Okay? And so we're looking for our principal, right? What we still owe. Our R is going to be the same. Our N is going to be 12, and our regular monthly payments, capital R, is going to be $431.25. Okay, I'm going to need a little bit of space to set this up into my formula. So I have P equals $431.25, parentheses 1 minus, parentheses 1 plus, 0.03, divided by 12 raised to. So I've got a negative N times T, so 12 times 2 is a negative 24. Let's close that parentheses, divided by 0.03 divided by 12. Okay, and I get, sorry for the mess,